I got down on making markings off of dealing with a brick. Whole time I was setting plays, wetting up a lick. You get lost inside this grass, I'll snake you if it fit. And my daddy let me down, I'm in the streets, I'm paving way. Got my mama going harder, she struggling every day. Got me fucked up, got me off my back, I'm on attack. Let you down, I wanted all the blood, I'm about to double back.
He's using a propane torch on the upholstery. Methodical. He's scrubbing the DNA before the metal even cools.
He isn't just cleaning. Listen to the audio.
What the fuck am I paying you for? Everything about Van should have been gone weeks ago.
I'm gonna secure this in the evidence locker. This is what we need to bring Sen Carter in. We also need to find out who he was talking to.
Lab 402 is clear.
Dispatch, this is Elias. Clear me from the precinct.
Snap out of this shit, bro. Relax. This is almost over. I put some plays in motion fair, and it's gonna set us clear of this bullshit. They'll find me, Sen. Knox doesn't stop. She's like a dog with a bone. If she finds the money trail, we're fucked. The money trail is buried under Rico's grave, and Knox will be busy with her own downfall soon. You're off the board, Vic. Off the board? I'm ducked off in the middle of nowhere. Sen, stop playing with me, yo. You're in a sanctuary. My father wanted you handled permanently. He sees a ledger, I see an asset. I'm the only reason you're still breathing air. There's a villa in St. Bart's. Private beach, no neighbors, and a security detail that reports only to me. And if I want to come home? You're home now, Vic. You're the only man who knows exactly how the waterfront was bought. That makes you the most valuable thing I own. And I don't lose my belongings. Time to go.
Pick up, Tank. Thanks. Where the hell are you?
Tank's occupied, Rico.
What the fuck? Put Tank on the damn phone.
He's checking into a permanent suite, Rico. Sen sends his regards. Don't bother calling back. There's no one left to answer.
Bitch.
Just finished that move.
Good.
Go get Rico. I say less.
I used to think these were about light. All I see is the ledger.
Don't be a martyr, Nina. The money gave you the room to breathe. It gave you the name. You're the best in the city because I made sure the city knew it.
You didn't make me an artist, Sen. You made me a janitor. I'm done cleaning your money with my talent. I'm leaving.
The feds are looking for a reason to freeze these assets. If you walk out that door tonight, you lose everything. The gallery, the reputation, the life.
I already lost it. Tell Tanisha she can have the keys. She's the only one left who still believes in the foundation.
Boy. E, where did you get that money from?
I got a job, Ma. I've been saving up.
Bishop, what kind of job pays you that much? You must think I'm a goofy boy, and you ain't even been to school.
Ma, no disrespect intended, but we broke as hell right now. I'm tired of living this way. Dad locked down, and we fucked up.
But don't crash out, son. And look at me when I'm talking to you.
Your father's letter came today. Come upstairs and get it when you finish up. I'm gonna pray for your soul, son. I love you.
When will you be arriving in Paris?
Tight. So.
Man, damn. Come on, Khalil. You ain't gotta do this shit.
Tie your hands up, Rico.
Sen, we could have been partners in this shit. I guess the best man won. Get this shit over with. The long game favors the composed.
Marcus, I want to see my son walk away from those bodies. Call our partner at WPD.
I'm already on it. I should hear something tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm really walking the walk. Bitches don't like when I talk, it's always true. Bitches is scared that I wanna say something about shit that they did, and sometimes I do. I hear the ting in my city with stay. What a mistake, what can you do? I lost 268,000 in 2019 that I need to recoup. I done left niggas' careers in the studio, fly out my city and let that shit stew. I left a rat on the rug, chucking my fist in, I'm an inventor like stew. Hoes always talk like they hard and they want it. I see them in person, they turn into soup. I had surrounded myself with some losers, cause my insecurities made me aloof. Bitches is flexing, they friends in the city like I was in 17 with the Maloofs. Niggas is flexing, they Cali connects like I was in 16 with Simon and the crew. I'm really legend, you niggas is new. Either you never or already knew. LV enigma, I promise it's true. Now I get money and split it with who? Split it with who? Now split it with who? Split it with who?